If your knees ache after every run, your shoes might be to blame. Here's why.
In 3 minutes, we'll explain shoe mechanics, knee stress, and how to prevent pain.
Quick anatomy.
The knee handles huge forces with every step and landing. Small changes in footwear shift forces across the knee joint significantly. We'll show animated overlays and split-screen comparisons to make this clear. By the end, you'll have practical tips and know when to see a specialist.
Heel height alters shin angle, increasing backward knee loading on impact.
Excessive cushioning can reduce proprioception and lengthen ground contact time. Rigid soles prevent natural foot roll, transmitting torsion up into the knee. Narrow toe boxes force toes together, altering gait and knee alignment. Overpronation increases medial knee stress. Supination shifts load laterally. Animated overlays will show force vectors and where damage commonly develops. High heels and elevated heels change posture and increase knee flexion moments. Heavy shoes amplify impact forces with each step, tiring muscles faster. Worn-out midsole materials lose shock absorption and alter foot mechanics. Minimalist shoes without adaptation can increase tendon strain and discomfort. Poor tread reduces traction, increasing slip-related awkward steps and knee stress. Split-screen comparisons highlight immediate gait differences between shoe types. Choose shoes that match your activity and foot shape, not style alone. Look for moderate heel-to-toe drop in firm but responsive midsoles. Replace shoes every 300 to 500 miles or when cushioning collapses. Gradually transition to different shoe types over weeks to allow adaptation. Combine shoe choices with strength training for hips and quadriceps to protect knees. Simple gait checks and orthotics can correct harmful force patterns early. If pain persists beyond 6 weeks or limits daily activities, see a specialist. A specialist will assess gait, imaging, and may recommend custom orthotics. Physical therapy targets strength, mobility, and movement patterns to offload the knee. Surgery is rare. Most cases improve with conservative measures and proper footwear. Quick recap. Match shoes to activity. Monitor wear. Strengthen muscles. Consult specialist.
Visit a certified specialist if unsure. Your knees will thank you.